In this video, I'm going to show you how to operate a ratchet strap. Once you have both ends secured where the hooks are, what you're going to do is slide the strap through the cam here, back over the cam like this, and now you can adjust your tension on your load like so. Now the lever has a spring-loaded plate, and so does the body has a spring-loaded plate. This plate, as we rotate the cam and we're wrapping up the strap around the cam and we've taken out the slack and we start to rotate using the lever, you'll see as it's spring-loaded, it's clicking into place, this one on the body, letting us get tighter and not losing any of the tension that we've gotten. So now it's tighter, and next click, tighter. And this one, to release it, you're going to, if it's down like this, you need to pull this back to position the lever to where you need it to be able to apply some pressure. Basically, you're going to have to tighten just slightly the strap to release pressure off of this plate, because right now I can't pull it, but when you release the pressure, now I can. And so I'm going to let it go down to this next tooth, and then I'm going to do the process all over again. I'm going to pull this plate. It's going to allow me to position the lever where I have some room here. Got the next tooth there, release pressure, pull this back, and now as we continue to do that, we'll eventually get enough pressure where we can release both of them at the same time and completely release the pressure on the strap. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out some of my past videos and playlists that I'll have listed here.